They say do what you love and you'll never work a day in your life. Lies!
No shit.
You'll work every day, nights too, weekends, public holidays, even in your dreams, usually unpaid. You'll be broke, then busy, then both. There'll be moments you question everything. It's chaotic, exhausting, but also kind of beautiful. Because at least it's your chaos. But you need stability. Stability like this Paracord from ParacordSA. They were nice enough to send me some high quality rope, which I use for my gear, and everyday EDC, and occasionally help me build handles, keychains, and the emotional support lanyard. Sorry, got distracted. ADD. Anyway, you learn pretty quick. Passion alone won't keep you sane. So you need side quests, hobbies, something just for you. Not for clients, not for deadlines, not for likes. Something that lets your brain breathe while your hands tie something together for once. Because if you're going to unravel, at least make it look good doing it.